Joseph M. Samsell, a mechanical engineering technician at Tobyhanna Army Depot, found a way to improve processes in the machining branch using the Computer Numerical Control horizontal milling machine. The machining branch is now using the horizontal milling machine to create stylus mounts for Blue Force tracking, a technology that provides location information of friendly and hostile military forces. In the past, the mounts have been created using a vertical milling machine. The new process is more than 4 times faster, cutting operations by 60%. Vertical mills only work on one plane, whereas the horizontal mill allows access to every side of the object being worked on. This increases the ability to execute more complex parts. Horizontal mills tend to prolong tool life because gravity allows chips to fall throughout the process, also resulting in a more refined product surface. The risk of human error is also reduced by providing precise computer-controlled cuts and tight geometric tolerances. With these newly realized benefits of the horizontal milling machine, Team Tobyhanna has the ability to improve other processes within the machining branch. Tobyhanna Army Depot is a recognized leader in providing world-class logistics support for command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance systems across the Department of Defense. Tobyhanna's corporate philosophy, dedicated workforce, and electronics expertise ensure the depot is the joint C4ISR provider of choice for all branches of the armed forces and industry partners.